This is a video about a Philips BT3203/15 Philips trimmer. So this Philips device is a beard trimmer. It is a cordless device. Nothing much complicated, easy to use. Just with the help of one single power button, it starts and stops. The 10 lock-in length settings and cutting length is 0.5 mm to 10 mm with 1 mm precision, and when the top blue cap removed, you'll get a fine cut trimming which is very close to the clean shave look. So it can be used for both purposes, but the primary aim of this product is to trim and not shave. The power of the Philips trimmer is actually lot more than the older Philips trimmers that used to come in past, and I am saying this because I have an old Philips trimmer which is still in working conditions, which I literally used it for around about 7 years. It also comes with 2+ 1 year warranty after registration. In spite being an entry level trimmer, the power of it is definitely good as it is a rechargeable device. One thing I will tell you is that, and this is the only downside by Philips, if due to any reason you lost the charger, then buying the new one is not going to be cheap compared to the price of the trimmer itself. At the time when I lost it, they actually were selling the charger for like 800 rupees, which was insane. So my suggestion is just be careful about it. Okay, now moving on to the product's physical aspect. It has got a strong plastic body with a matte finish kind of a texture. Of course, the top grill is a stainless steel metal. The cap also comes with a plastic material, but a good quality one. The middle rotating button and the only power button has a rubber finish feel. So overall, the product has a strong build body. Now about the runtime, this one runs with a 45-minute runtime. But one more downfall about this product is that this trimmer is going to take forever to charge itself. Yeah, I mean it takes a long time to charge. Overall, I'm happy with the Philips trimmer as I only use it for trimming and not shaving. I could have made a demo video filming myself, but I'm not very comfortable making my trimming video public. So just uploaded the unboxing video only. So that's it. If you're interested in buying the Philips trimmer, I would highly recommend you to get it right now. I have provided the link in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and bye.